cameras. It was just a tiny little off-road shack. There's not too much food around here. Food was amazing though, I'll give him that. That grilled pork belly was to die for. That was like the first plate that disappeared in the group. And a couple other little specialty local dishes, which was really good. Aside from that, we did learn that there is no power at the campsite tonight. So we're stressing out a little bit over, you know, charging everyone's phone, charging our camera gear, charging the drones. Fortunately tomorrow on the itinerary we get to the homestay at about lunchtime and have lunch there. So while we're there we can actually stop and charge everything that needs charging. And then from there we're scheduled to go to the Ha Giang waterfall, which is the big waterfall at the border with China. So that's the one we really wanted the drones for, which would be good. So we'll definitely have power for that one. Cannot wait to show you guys that. So keep an eye out in the next video for day 5. Even though technically it was supposed to be day 6 for the Ha Giang waterfalls, but no complaints here. Anyway guys, we're going to start conserving some camera batteries for now, because we probably will be the next 24 hours without power. So just going to try and show the highlights from here and any little snippets of anything that we think you might find interesting. See you soon. Alrighty, so just made a quick pull over to the side of the road in this tiny little village/town. V just said, yep, over here, all of that is tobacco. Ooh, so it looks like we're getting off the bikes. Check it out. All the medicine.
So much medicine. Too slim.
Tobacco field. You want to smoke? So it gets cut, dried, and bagged up, apparently. Anyway, enough of that. Back on the road. What a beautiful view. Hello! Camera too low? This place is amazing. Oh, we have a big reveal shot here coming down the other side. I'll say all these twists and turns, super fun on the bike. Wow. Check this out. Oh, truck coming. Imagine that falling on your head or on your car. Back out of the city. Full bellies after lunch.
Dallas, I want to share it on. I make video down there. The GoPro.
Just arrived at the camping or the glamping spot, guys. I did not expect this. Have a look at it. This is next level. There's an awesome lake, little islands in the middle. There's some raft type things down there. I don't know whether we can jump on them or not. And the hole in the mountain in the back there. Wow, next level. And that is our final destination for day 4 here on our tour. And as hard as it was to get down here, it was so worth it. The lake is beautiful. We just caught the sunset, so I had to quickly get the drone up in time. And I think I just made it to get a decent shot of that big mountain with the hole through the center. And so I got the Avata out, flew it straight through the hole on one side, straight through on the other side, almost lost it both times because it lost signal. And where the hell am I? Oh, over here. All right. So guys left me my stuff. I have the key. Camera. Oops. What's going on here? What have they done to you? Now I'm going to try and conserve some battery shortly, so I'll cut it here while I get my stuff. I'll play it back in a second. Over there, so I gotta figure out which one's mine. Now, I did get told that me and Dallas have separate tents, which is awesome. Another night of him not whinging about my snoring. Anyway guys, let's get to that beautiful view. No light. I'm assuming that's the bathroom. Over the background. Yeah, this is awesome. JC managed to get the drone through it. Can't wait to see that footage. And can't wait to see what this place looks like lit up. Looks like it's going to be like festoon lights, which is all solar powered pretty much. I'm still waiting for our tents to be set up. They're not set up yet, but I'll flip around here and show you. I think those platforms is where they're going to set us up on. I want to try again on the morning when they come out white though. These platforms.
you got bottle. Chicken there.
Is this chicken?
Not yet. Chicken
This is
coming.
chicken, right?
Pork. Pork on the beef there.
And what are these?
Fish. This one rice
fish,
cake.
is
Rice cake. This one you can do like this way. This way. Deep here.
Yummy.
And you can mix with a kind of leaf from here. Yeah, I show you the way to eat here. And with the meat, you can rolling from yeah, the way. That's the way. That is how the way.
That's the way.
And the leaf you rolling from this side. You can pick a little bit. Rolling. Do like this. And you dip in here.
Oh yeah, yummy.
Yes, like this way.
Don't drop it.
And then put in the mouth.
Put in the hole.
In the mountain hole.
Let go, let
Put
go.
into the hole.
I don't want it. You can have it. Thanks for being my driver. I got you a present.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Yeah. Cheers. And we do Vietnamese style. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Whoa.
Hai ba zo. Hai ba zo. Hai ba wo.
Hey, now they keep silent.
Oh. Oh, you do one shot? Wow.
Mama saw.
Is that not what we mentioned?
Oh, that
Were
one-
we shipping? Oh.
That one makes me satisfied.
It's up to you. You can keep it.
You do 30. Yes, man.
Yes.
Yes, Bram.
Oh.
I think I'm feeling better now tonight.
Yeah.
It's yummy.
Thankfully.
Ooh.
I don't think we've like even gotten. I'm probably just over halfway. This food.
Nah, more than halfway.
Say 70.
Half of, a bit over half of one fish.
Half. That's like only got a
Me and Vay.
tiny little
Yeah, you
scrape
guys
out of
did
it.
that one.
Oh.
And with that, dinner is done, team. Day 4 completed on this amazing adventure, and we cannot wait to show you what's in store for the next video. Yeah, it is bucket list item number 2. The actual bike trip itself was bucket list item number 1, but this next part in this next day, bucket list item number 2. It is going to be epic. We're going to finish off with a couple of ice beers. Hey. At this campsite, and have a quick sleep in tomorrow. Actually, we get, which is good. Breakfast a little bit later. Yep. And then a quick start, and yeah, should be an interesting day all around. So remember, please like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers to that. I don't know if you can see that when the lights go off, but they're all just walking in this giant circle around the fireworks getting set off. Did you see the circle they were doing?
No. I was too busy trying to take photos.
So they were all just in a circle, just running around where the center of the fireworks was going off. Looked like a bit cultish, to be honest.